the video start and let me warn you. You will not get the back of my head. Falling out. I'm an old man, come beside me. Guys, we're here in wonderful garden bed. I'm making a delivery to a special young lady. You own these two bikes. You own them. So if anybody wants young bike to buy, come and check it. Good? Always after you.
So as I said the other day.
You said the other day. You said the other day.
Let me talk, yeah, don't let me shy again. As I was saying, I had a great company to ship with. And they are very reliable. My first company that I ever. So I would do require persons safe and secure with your card and everything.
Exactly. I will come and deliver it to you, right?
Right at my doorstep.
Alright, you never have to ride a young bike. You never have to ride a young bike. You never have to ride a young bike. And bigger package come give us.